Morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just sharing with you what we're doing today. Beautiful Monday, rocking it out. We're up here at Calagra Bar. Today on site we've got about 1,000 square metres of low level concrete to knock out. A big reasonable sized house wash here. We've got some sheds. There's insects, the geckos, all the usual grime that accumulates on houses. So get in there, use quality cleaning agents, equipment, and we'll see the right trained staff and we'll knock it out and we'll show you the progress. Thank you.
Thank you.